goals and expectations for renovating the Grove was to really make this a true heritage project that celebrates our family history here. And my son is now growing up in my childhood home, and that's so special. And that's really what this project was all about. Allaire really did soup to nuts for our renovation project. I mean, we put in all new electric, we put in all new plumbing. So there's a lot of invisible investments here that Allaire helped us with, as well as the beautiful cosmetics. It's more than just a pretty house. It's those memories of my entire youth. And it's such a blessing to be able to share those now with my own son.
My husband and I bought this property in about 1995 when we first did the walkthrough. I just had this feeling that this was our house. We had to have this property.
When we first bought it, we went through end to end. Got rid of the shag carpet and the silver wallpaper, had the tiles put in the floors, had carpet put in, just a lot of fun do-it-yourself type things.
I am a busy mom and a small business owner, and I didn't have time to be my own general contractor. They did all the heavy lifting for me. They came to me with solutions, never problems. They helped us really update the property into my current vision. Although I loved some of the vintage feels, you do want a little aesthetic for the next generation. And so I feel like we really balanced those. We really trusted their expertise. They're the ones dealing with trades day in and day out. And so that was another peace of mind for us using Allaire, is that I didn't have to worry about, is this plumber going to show up? Is this electrician good? Allaire does all that heavy lifting, and they do a larger quantity of projects. And so they can kind of get more bang for your buck as well, which was really important to us. When I think about these renovations, I don't want to get emotional, but it's so special to have this heritage project come to life. The final results of this project just blew our family away. My vision really came to life, and it's still just so special to see my childhood home just with my twist on it. I think we were really lucky to keep a lot of that heritage while adding my spin to it.
It's nice to see Maverick enjoying the yard, having space to grow, having his own pool.
I worked with Amy quite a bit through the project. We had weekly meetings, we had on-site meetings as well, so we stayed in touch through the entire process, through every trade that came in. We have a broad range of projects we take care of. We do everything from large custom homes to casitas, to remodels, and even small things such as bathrooms and kitchens.